Yo, what is up, guys? Serg here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys why a lot of people fail in affiliate marketing. Um, you know, but first, what is affiliate marketing? If you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, you guys probably do it without knowing and also without getting paid. So affiliate marketing is basically referring other people to actually you guys are basically referring people to other people's products. Let's say you guys are referring AirPods, you know, uh, AirPod Pros to you know you send them a link to go buy it, and they go buy it and you get a commission. You know, simple. It's basically pretty simple. Like basically referring a person to one of your friends to a restaurant. That you really like. So, oh, go check this out. Go check that out. This restaurant. So it's basically it. That's basically what it is. Affiliate marketing pretty simple to know and how to get started, and pretty easy to get started, with zero capital. That you guys don't need money to get started with affiliate marketing. But don't get me wrong, you guys are actually still gonna have to invest in affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's get started, and why a lot of people fail in affiliate marketing, even though it's pretty easy to get started. Okay, so the first one, why people get fail and don't succeed with affiliate marketing, is basically no have not having patience. That's the number one. No patience whatsoever. Basically, having that mindset that you could get you could get rich quick with affiliate marketing. You know, it's pretty easy. Affiliate marketing, it is pretty easy to, but a lot of people do not have patience. You know, people think it's an overnight success, which is not. Like any other business you get into, you don't get rich quick with a month of work. It takes time. It takes you um, how to get started. Uh, like Jeff Benzo hasn't really he didn't get where he's been at in like overnight. That does not happen. Like any other business you guys get into, you need to be patient. Okay, this is how I go by. Not I did not go by uh, like this before, but if you guys ever read The Rabbit and the Turtle, when you guys were a kid, the rabbit was trying to rush to the finish line, right? But the turtle was taking his time, making sure he'll cross that finish line, no matter if he goes to second. Okay, but the rabbit thought he was fast and rushing through to get to the finish line. He took a rest and he fell asleep, and the turtle still won, even though he was uh, the slowest in the race, and the rabbit was the fastest. The turtle still won for being patient, for being slow. That's how I thought of it when I was reading that book with my daughter again. Okay. Um. So I didn't think about it like that until I got into affiliate marketing and how an online business works. Okay. In the beginning, when I started my journey, I did not see that. I wanted to rush to my success, but it did not happen. But I still did not give up. Okay, you gotta change that mindset just because, and you also gotta be patient. Okay, if you guys want to get into any business, you guys gotta be patient, put in the work, make sure everything is good and set to make sure not gonna give up if you don't see results within a week. Okay, it's not gonna happen. Okay, but you could um you could make it happen. A lot of people have um actually been a lot of people actually have succeeded with affiliate marketing. A lot of people actually made profit in their first week with affiliate marketing, but then they don't see any sales within a month. But they know affiliate marketing works, but they don't give up. Okay, they're still patient no matter how long it takes them to get their next sale. Okay. Um, the second one is not having the right system. So basically, what this means is not having a good product to sell, not having a good landing page to collect emails. So try to build your audience, having an autoresponder, and knowing where to drive traffic and to also track your your affiliate links to make sure where they're coming from, the sales are coming from, or where the clicks are coming from, and stuff like that. You guys have to have a good product. Why do you guys gotta have to have a good product? So, um, let's say you have a bad product that you're promoting, okay, and it's basically your beginning, right? So if you're beginning and you guys get into it and you promote that product to your audience or to your YouTube channel or your website or whatever, um, and it's a bad product, people are not gonna buy from you again if it's a bad product. You don't want to ruin your reputation like that. Okay. Um, the second one is to have a good landing page, so you guys could collect emails. You guys want to collect emails. You guys want to build your audience. Why do you guys want to build your audience? Your audience, because if you guys do not build your audience, you guys are gonna keep paying for ads every single time. Okay, and you guys are gonna basically burn money. Okay, but when you build an email list and build your audience, you guys are gonna have um, you guys are gonna have your own traffic. So if you guys wanna promote another product that your audience will like, you guys will be making yourself an actual ATM, getting that cash flow no matter what. Just send out an email and people will buy that product. For sure that those people are gonna buy because they're already hot leads that you guys build a connection with these people. So that's a good one. And then autoresponder, so you guys could have your email list and knowing, and you guys could um, send out your emails all at once or set it on autopilot so you guys could have all that, all that all that freedom you guys want. That's why you guys are building an online business. That's why I'm building an online business, because I want that freedom. I want to spend time with my daughter, take her to all these places that I always wanted to go when I was a kid. So, I want that freedom. I want to live wherever I want to live, and stuff like that. What you guys want to do is learn one free traffic and one paid traffic. You guys don't want to do multiple traffic sources, learn multiple traffic sources, because you guys are already wearing a lot of hats. Okay, you guys are learning how to um, build a website. You guys are already trying to learn how to create content, um, learn how to market it, and learn how to um, learning how to send emails, do email marketing, doing copyrights, copy ad writing, and all that stuff. And you guys don't want to keep learning different traffic sources. Okay, if one fails, then you guys, if one traffic source fails, and it's not working for you, then go. These traffic sources are not working. Then that's when you guys learn a different traffic source. But just focus on one and one, okay? Don't be focusing on multiple traffic sources, and then you guys are not gonna go anywhere, because that's one of the main reasons people are successful with affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is basically getting people to the door of that product, okay? And that's how you guys get paid, to sending people to that product when they purchase. Um, that's when you guys get paid. All right. Um, the third thing is not treating your online business like a real business. No matter what kind of business you're in, which is online or a physical business, like basically a coffee shop, or owning a gym, any type of business, you gotta treat it like a real business. A lot of people think just because affiliate marketing um, is, you guys could basically start for free, doesn't mean you're not gonna have to spend money on it. You always have to invest on your business. Like building a website is not gonna be free. There are free ways to build a website, but I suggest you guys don't go down that road. Um, Also, getting an autoresponder services, landing page services, um, you know, stuff like that. You guys gotta treat your online business like a real business. It's an actual real business, no matter what kind of business it is, like job shipping, Amazon FBA, and so forth and so forth. And you always gotta treat it like a real business. Make sure you guys have goals for that day to set up so you guys could be successful for that day. Okay? Make sure everything's good, everything's ready to go for that day, and make sure you guys um, knock it down. Treat your online business like it's a real business. Don't be treating it like it's a hobby, because you guys won't go anywhere. That's why a lot of people fail in affiliate marketing. Okay, and also not challenging yourself. Um, that's the fourth one. Not challenging yourself with what I mean by this is, like, you guys are gonna wear a lot of hats, especially if you guys are beginners. Okay, you guys are gonna need to know how to send out emails. You guys are gonna learn how to build um, a website, how to get how to build an audience from the ground up, and how to start your affiliate marketing journey. Um, you know, all those things, like how to do YouTube ads, Facebook ads, how to drive traffic and stuff like that. You guys are gonna wear a lot of hats in the beginning. So you guys are gonna have to challenge yourself. People don't like challenging themselves. I don't know why, but that's how people sometimes think. That's what I mean by changing your mindset. You know, you guys gotta change that mentality to know that you guys could do it. Just you guys can't always doubt yourself. You know, a lot of people still do it. Even me, I still doubt myself, but I still have to push myself. No matter what, I had to challenge myself to succeed for that day. Okay, so like challenging yourself, like getting learning courses or educating yourself, reading books and stuff like that. You know, there's a lot of uh, free courses out there like Udemy. You know, that you don't have to pay uh, $997 for an online course when you guys could go to Udemy and search up, go to the free categories and learn email marketing, how to build a landing page, or how to send emails and all that stuff. You know, learn traffic, how to do YouTube ads and stuff like that. You know, or do YouTube videos if you guys are trying to go through the free traffic source. Yeah, it's basically just challenge yourself. Don't give in. Don't think you guys can't do that. When you guys could challenge yourself, is you know it's gonna be easier for you guys if you guys challenge yourself. You know, um, but yeah, guys, challenge yourself. Make sure you guys are patient. Change your mindset when you guys are starting off. Yeah, guys, just uh, be patient. Change your mindset. Have the right system in place. Treat your online business like it's a real business, and always, always, always challenge yourself. You know, if you guys want to get into affiliate marketing, I actually have a free course down below. You guys could check out the link. I actually had the course also in Udemy, but Udemy only lets you have 2 hours uh, of the course content if you guys want it for free. Because I want this course to be for free, especially you guys if you guys are beginners. I know you guys don't have a lot of capital, and this is the right step. It'll get you to the front door of affiliate marketing. You know, it'll show you everything what you guys need to get started. You know, the traffic, the how to build a landing page, how to build a how to send out your first email. Because my course is basically about affiliate marketing using email marketing, which is one of the best methods for affiliate marketing. Okay, because you guys gotta collect that emails. Okay. But yeah, this ends this video. If you guys want to check it out, yeah, if you guys want to check out that free course, go ahead. Link down below. Just sign up for free. You know, no money. I'm not asking you guys to buy this course. It's completely free. If you guys want if you guys want to ask me any questions, go to my Facebook group. I'll have the link down below as well if you guys want to get into affiliate marketing. Um, but yeah, yeah, guys. Hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, hit that like button. Share this video if you guys think someone else is gonna get knowledge from this. Um, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.